Hello everyone, my name is Ajis Moon. I'm currently pursuing my BCA MCA related degree from IIPS GAV. In discrete mathematics, we have got an assignment where we have to explain about the topic graph theory. Now, without wasting more time, let's move to the topic. What is graph? Basically, a graph can be represented with the help of G, V and E, where G is the graph and V is the vertices of the graph and E is the edges of the graph. Now, let's take an example to explain further about graph. So here it is an example. It is a graph where A, B, C and D are the vertices of the graph and E1, E2 and E3 are the edges of the graph. E1 can be represented as A and B, E2 can be represented as B and C. Similarly, E3 can be represented as C and D respectively. So, it was a brief explanation of the graph concept. Now, let's move to the topic finite graph and infinite graph. So basically, a graph with a finite vertices set and a finite edges set is known as finite graph, whereas a graph with an infinite vertices set and infinite edges set is known as infinite graph. Let's take an example to know more about the finite and infinite graph. So here it is an example where A, B, C, D, E, and F are the vertices of this graph, and Y1, Y2, Y3, Y4, and Y5 are the edges of this graph. Here we can clearly see that this graph carries limited number of edges and vertices. So this is an example of finite graph. Now, here we can clearly see that the graph is incomplete and the vertices and edges are infinite in number. So this was an example of infinite graph. I hope we all have learned about the topic finite, infinite graph clearly. Now let's move to the topic isolated vertex. What is isolated vertex? A vertex of degree 0 is called isolated vertex. A vertex having degree 0 is known as isolated vertex. So what is meant by degree 0 vertex? It means that a vertex do not imply any edges from it. So it can be represented by degree B is equal to 0, where B is an isolated vertex. Now, here it is a graph where you can clearly see that from the there's no inclination of edges can be shown. So, it is a perfect example of isolated vertex. So, I hope you all have understood the topic clearly. Thank you very much. Now, to know More about the topic, isolated vertex. Let's take an example. So here it is an example. It is a graph. It is a graph having A, B, C, D, its vertices. Now, from here, we can clearly see that from D, there is no inclination of edges inclined from it. So, this is a perfect example of isolated vertex topic. I hope you all have understood the topic very clearly. Now, let's move to another topic. What is incidence in the graph theory? Let's see about it. In graph theory, if we want to calculate the degree of the vertex, we count the number of edges incident on the vertex. The total number of edges incident on the vertex is the degree of that particular vertex. So, the incident edge concept is used to find out the degree of the vertex. So, this was all about the topic.